Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VEAL exchange token. Ticker symbol is VEAL, V-E-I-L. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting November 22nd. We're going to go over the information on the VEAL exchange token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the VEAL protocol is an innovative solution within the blockchain landscape, serving as a bridge that enables seamless swaps between any diverse array of cryptocurrencies. A fundamental aspect of VEAL is its commitment to privacy, providing users with a secure and discreet means of transacting and exchanging digital assets. So this token is being listed on a central exchange, a very big central exchange with over 6 million users called Mexc Global. So it gets listed exactly November 22nd at 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search VEAL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So November 22nd at 13 hours UTC time. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. There's 18 decimal places on this token. They have a fully diluted market cap of $4.29 million. Max total supply is 1 billion VEAL tokens, and right now they have 2,206 holders, so they're doing pretty well there. You can check out their Telegram at VEAL Exchange, 578 Telegram subscribers on there so far. If you want to find tons of info, go over to docs.veal.exchange. Now they also have a webpage at veal.exchange. You can check that out. So VEAL Exchange is a bridge for swapping various cryptocurrencies with enhanced privacy. The VEAL protocol is an innovative solution within blockchain's landscape, serving as a bridge. A fundamental aspect of VEAL is its privacy and security. So they have the features and functionalities. Number one is cryptocurrency swaps. So VEAL allows users to swap between various cryptocurrencies efficiently, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other tokens on supported networks. VEAL facilitates direct swaps, providing users with flexibility in managing their digital asset portfolios. Number two, they have cross-network bridging. So VEAL acts as a bridge between different blockchain networks. Users can effortlessly swap from one network to another, enhancing the interoperability within the blockchain's ecosystem. This bridge functionality is a valuable feature for users seeking to diversify their holdings across multiple networks. There's privacy emphasis. So privacy is one of the core principles of VEAL. When users perform transactions or swaps using VEAL, the protocol ensures that the process is discreet and secure. Cryptocurrencies are received in separate wallets from where they were sent, enhancing privacy and confidentiality in financial transactions. So they have a how-to guide on their document section if you want to learn how to use Veal. Just go to their webpage, veal.exchange, and then if you get stuck, you can go to the documents and it'll guide you through step by step, like choose swap route and amount, select the cryptocurrency you want to swap, example would be Ethereum, choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap to, example would be BNB, input the swap amount. So it takes you step by step on how to use the exchange. Now tokenomics here, the Veal token specifically is the governance token. So it's also the native utility token of the Veal protocol, designed to fuel the ecosystem, incentivize participation, ensure seamless transactions within the platform. And yeah, so its initial liquidity was 5 ETH, establishing a market cap of approximately $15,000 on the outset. They have vested tokens, so 80 million tokens will be vested for 1 year, enhancing stability and commitment to the Veal ecosystem. So if you are going to get this off a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, there is trading fees, so there's taxes. 5% fees for buys and sells, resulting in a total percent fee of 10%. Out of this total fee, 20% will be allocated to the Veal revenue share program, directly contributing to community rewards. So if you do buy this token off Mexc Global or sell it on there, the fees are going to be minimal compared to Uniswap, which is going to take you're going to have to set slippage for the taxes, then there's going to be gas fees. So yeah, just be aware that, there could be a lot of fees on Uniswap. There also could be failed transactions, which result in fees, which is the most annoying thing to me. So yeah, and then the rest of the proceeds, it says, for the utilization of funds is going to go to liquidity pool, development and ecosystem growth, marketing and partnerships, and community rewards and incentives. So Veal's tokenomics are designed to create a sustainable and thriving ecosystem with a controlled supply, strategic token distribution, a transparent fee structure, a significant contribution towards the Veal revenue share program. Veal aims to foster a strong and engaged community while providing a secure and efficient platform for cryptocurrency transactions. So they go over more about the Veal revenue share and the purpose of the Veal token. Some of the purposes here is earning passive income, participating in the revenue share program, proportional earnings, for governance, decision-making power, incentivizing long-term holding. And yeah, then they go over how the passive income works. Then, they have fee collection, proportional distribution, regular distribution, holding Veal tokens, smart contract automation, passive income, alignment of interests. And then they have a link to their Twitter, their exchange, and their Telegram. So check all this out, docs.veal.exchange, or you could go over to veal.exchange or check out their socials. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about Veal? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc Global one where this token gets listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.